Hey everyone, welcome to Valor. Today I'll show how to split a big monitor or divide four camera feeds. Let's Google Power Toys. Go to Microsoft Power Toys, click Download, then install Power Toys. Choose the first option usually. Now open the installer. Click Install. It opens right away. We need fancy zones here. So let's open fancy zones. Open the editor. Here we can divide our monitor into parts, rows, no layout, or create custom. There, let's use columns, shall we? There, and we can run it. Press Windows plus Shift plus E, pick your tab, and place it where you want. That's it. You can change the button here. That's all, folks. Like and subscribe.